Silky Love Potion costs for SLP are projected to be between 0.007324 and 0.013834 by 2030. Market experts say that SLP could hit 0.005696 by 2025. Bearish in 2023, the market price of Smooth Love Mixture is likely to be 0.001302 Smooth Love Mixture. When SLP Encounter comes out with play to acquire games, a shared boundlessness, it gets everyone's attention. This is because it was the first NFT gaming title to sell $1 billion worth of copies. It is credited with putting play to acquire on the international gaming map. Sky Mavis released the game in 2018. But it actually came out a year ago with the NFT Blast A Share Limitlessness, which was the last summer star gathering, and has close to 1 million daily dynamic clients. DAO Share Limitlessness is a blockchain game that works with NFT. In this game, players collect animals called axes and use them to fight against other players. Axes, it has two parts to its biological structure. Shea Endlessness Broken Blades and Smooth Love Potions SLPS. Playing the game is the main way to get SLPS. While Axis is an administration token that lets users make important decisions about things like game features and depository support spending. Before we decide if SLP is a good investment for 2022 and the years after, we need to go back to the beginning. A bit will describe in detail the role and use of SLP in the biological system of a share vastness. We will also talk about the factors that affect it. What does it mean to be boundless? A share limitlessness backs the play to get form of interactivity, in which players are rewarded for putting effort into playing the game. Also, players can own their in-game characters or things fully as NFTs, which they can sell, buy, or use to interact with other players. This is different from the great majority of traditional closed-circle games, where advanced items have to be used in the game. A market gap led to the grant and society programs, and the director or society bought or gave the player researcher the 3 axes he or she will use to play the game and collect SLP. They ask all bettors to give the new player 3 axes in exchange for a share of the benefits they get. They also give some of the perks to the people who help them. At the moment, 1 bottle of Smooth Love Mixture is worth $0.001628. As of right now, SLP has moved 3.03, and with a trade volume of 6,506,158 and a market capitalization of $68,140,469, it is now ranked 306 among all digital currencies. RSI moving weighted normal MWA using the general strength record Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference MACD. From the diagram above we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Mixture SLP. Our cost expectation estimates use a constant Smooth Love Mixture to tell us if we're having a good or bad year. SLP all market information is changed in real time on our website, which lets us give dynamic cost estimates and a look at how the market is moving right now. Level SmoothX from different points of view. SLP Value Prediction 2023 Smooth Love Mixture is one of the most interesting cryptographic forms of money that will rise this year. SLP. The price of SLP is expected to go up a lot in the last 3 months of 2023, possibly hitting 0.002441. As with other digital currencies, the price will keep going up, but there aren't likely to be any big drops. The average price will be 0.002279, which is very high, but it can be reached soon if coordinated efforts and growth go as planned. Every 2024 Smooth Love Mixtures, SLP is expected to be worth 0.001953 Smooth Love Elixir, SLP. We expect that the cost of SLLP will soon go above 0.004069 because many new groups and drives are expected to make declarations. Before making any bull ISH predictions, we need to see if the SLP's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone. Bets that take market instability into account will swap at a basic price of 0.003255 and an average price of 0.003581 for a smooth love combination. SLP value forecast 2025. If the pattern stays the same until 2025, it could hit 0.005696, and if the market runs into encounters of decay, SLP could make money. Maybe the goal won't be reached. In 2025, the average price of SLP is expected to be 0.005208 and the lowest price is expected to be 0.004883. If the smooth love mixture helps people fall in love, the value of SLP is expected to go up in 2026. According to what we think will happen, the price of an SLP coin could stay the same for the next 5 years, which is what the market thinks. SLP will be green in 2026. In 2026, the SLP is likely to hit and pass its all-time high. In 2026, 1 unit of the virtual currency will cost 0.00651 and a typical unit will cost 0.006836. Smooth love combo. Expected SLP value. After a lot of guessing and specialized research, we think that the cost of SLP will go over a usual value level of 0.008463 by 2027, with a base cost of 0.008138 expected by the end of the year. This means that SLP has a maximum value worth of 0.008951. How much smooth love elixir SLP will be worth in 2028? Because new businesses are likely to start up by 2028, we think a bullish trend will keep going and bring the average price up to about 0.010091. If SLP finds out how to break the safe level in 2028, the most it could cost would be 0.010579. If SLP doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, the value of its smooth love elixir could drop to 0.009765 in 2029. SLP tries to make it easier for organizations to work together, and the rising trend from last year is likely to continue. Because of this, the base exchange cost has been set at 0.011393, and the annual cost is close to 0.012206. Smooth love elixir SLP expected value in 2029 by 23. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters,